Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a product review on this Moon Spell palette by Lunar Beauty. Do you want to see what my thoughts are, what the swatches are, and how I created this look? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Moon Spell palette. I'm going to be showing you the swatches, telling you my opinion, how I created this look, and then letting you kind of know an update from the mystery boxes that I ordered. So if you want to jump straight to the palette, I will timestamp down below when that will start. If you do want to hear what happened with the mystery boxes, then I'm going to let you guys know right about now. Okay, so for all of those that did see the video that I did, I ordered all 3 different mystery boxes, all 3 different sizes from Manny MUA, and that was on Thanksgiving Day. Now, there was a post that went out stating that if you ordered multiple boxes, they were going to be holding them for about a week longer than others so they can make sure there was no duplicate items in the boxes. I was fine with that. My box was delivered a week late. I was fine with that. I knew that that was going to happen. But then when I opened up the boxes and I opened up big to small, which the biggest one was definitely worth it. I loved everything inside of that box. I kept everything in that box, I believe, except the was the necklace in that one? I can't remember, but I pretty much kept everything that was in the big box. Then I opened up the medium and the small to have duplicate products. So I reached out to them and I went back and forth. They basically threw their hands up and said, nope, not unless you send them back. We can't do anything. Our policy is you must send back the products. For one, I've already opened them. They've been here. I already put them in a giveaway. So I explained to them every time that's not possible. I can't send back the products. They're now in a giveaway because you guys never answered me. I gave them several hours to answer me before I finished that video to put them in the giveaway. So I kept telling them there's nothing I can do, but one of the boxes was supposed to have a higher value than what I received. So I was shorted a item or items from the middle box. So they still weren't even trying to like help me out with that. They just kept saying, nope, we can't do anything. You need to send the products back. We'll send you a mailing label, but we need the products back. And I'm like, okay, that's not possible. But you're still not addressing the fact of how this happened when my box waited that extra week, or boxes, and you're not addressing the fact that my middle box is low, that's not as value. I'm missing some type of items. So again, coming back, like now going almost 5 days back and forth, just nope, there's nothing we can do. I'm like, then you know what, forward all my messages to your boss because there should be something that happens. I'm missing items. You're not explaining to me like what's going on. Like I need to have some better customer service here. So I said, forward them to your boss. Then the next message that I got back was stating, we are going to be sending you new items to compensate for the duplicate items and the missing items that were in my box. Now, I would have been fine with them replacing my missing items and giving me a $10 credit. I would have been fine with that. But they decided to send me a box full of stuff. So one of the things that they had sent me is the Moon Spell palette, which this was not in any of those 3 boxes, and the Life's a Drag palette, which again was not in any of my boxes, but I saw a lot of others did end up getting this palette. Then they sent me another lip product. This is Lunar Beauty liquid lipstick in Witch Bitch, like a witch and a bitch. So this color is Witch Bitch, and I haven't even opened this yet, so I don't know what color this is, to be honest with you guys, but let's see what this is. Ooh, I love this packaging though. So it still has the diamond in the top, and this looks like this is a red. I did get a red, but it wasn't this. It had gold instead of black. So I know it's not this color. And ooh, that is a deep, like a burgundy red. Holy moly. Let's put this on and see what it looks like. Let's just see here. Ooh, and I'm not normally into reds, but you guys, I like that. I really do like that. What do you think? Witch bitch. I like that. Woo! Okay, so these are the 3 different makeup products that I received. Again, now I have all 4 of the palettes, which I do appreciate. I have another liquid lip, which is a red, and I'm actually really loving that color. Then they also did send me, I believe, 2 sweatshirts and like 4 or 5 different shirts. So those clothing items I'm going to add to the giveaway that have already there. So when those 3 winners are chosen, I will reach out once I'm getting the shipping address and ask what the size is, and I'll try to match them up as best as I can. I think they sent me 1 medium sweatshirt and then a large sweatshirt, and then the shirts were like extra large and large, I believe. I'm really, really thankful that they did rectify this. So whoever this person I was talking to, once they did send my messages to a higher up, I guess that's when it finally did get handled. And again, I am so thankful that they sent me all this. They did not need to send me this much stuff, but I'm so thankful because now I can give back more to you guys. And now I have these extra palettes that I didn't have before. So I felt that this would be better to kind of explain to you guys, because a lot of you did say, let me know what happens. I want to know the outcome. Did they fix it? Did they send you new products? That kind of thing. So yes, they finally did. After 5 days of going back and forth with somebody throwing their hands up, it went into the correct hands of somebody who actually did take care in my order and fix the issue. Again, they did way more than I ever would have expected or ever even needed. But I am very appreciated that they did fix it, and now I can give some clothing items back to those that win those 3 different sets as well. So everything happens for a reason. We're getting more in this situation, but I didn't need that much more. I just needed my missing items and maybe a little bit of a credit. That's all I wanted. But it is all taken care of. That is all fixed, and I'm so glad to have these palettes. Today I wanted to go with more of like a neutral look. In this palette though, you guys, this is stunning. Like, this looks like a journal book that you can just lock. I mean, this is just beautiful, beautiful packaging. I can't say anything else enough. Like, this is just gorgeous. I love this package. Now, when you open her up, there's a good size mirror on the top, and then here are all of the colors. Again, this is very bright colors with all these purples. You have the greens and the blues on the top, and then you have more of the neutrals in the middle. So that's what I did. I only used the middle colors. So I started with this Sarah, and I put over my entire lid. Then I went in with what is this one? Winifred? I'm not sure how you say this one, if it's Winifred, Winifred. I'm not quite sure, but this color right here, I went into the midsection. Then I added Kiki, do you love me? in the middle to add it a little bit darker. Then I went in with Mary, which is this shimmer for my lower lid. And then I popped in a little bit of this Pure. And then it actually added like, it made it more of like a purple color on top. But I added this color under my brow bone and a little bit in the corners just to change up the color a little bit. And like I said, it did add like a little bit of like a purplish pink tone to it. So it changed it, and it was really cool. I really like the way that it came out. I like the way that the shadows blend and how they perform and the pigment. I'm really, really glad to have this. I have used the other palettes that I got, and I love them. They're really, really good. So I'm so glad to now have all 4 of Lunar Beauty's palettes. But let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Okay, you guys, so here is the entire palette. I had to put the other 2 greens down here because I ran out of room, but this is the one color that I use, the opalescent color, and then here's some pinks to purples. Here's the browns that I use. This one right here I did not use. That's the only one from that row I didn't use, but that's the one I put on my lower lid, and that's the darker color that I used in the corner. And then here are the greens from the bottom row. They're just really, really pretty. They're really pretty. Like, I like this palette because you can do just a neutral look with the middle. And if you want to add a little pop of color, you have pinks, you have purples, you have teals, you have greens. So you have a universal palette that you can do so many different looks with. And I really, really like this palette. Again, I like the way that they blended. I like the way that they are performing on me. I like the way that the look turned out. So I'm so glad to now be able to review this for you guys, sit down, tell you guys the story, let you know. And then also, here's the Life's a Drag palette. I really wanted to use this one today, to be quite honest, because there's a lot of browns in here. But this is the new one, so I really wanted to show you guys what this new one does. But here's the back of the palette, just stunning, looks so pretty. And here is the front of the palette. And then when you open her up, there's a little mirror and it says, be a queen. Yes. Now, this one has so many neutral colors over here and then a little pop of color. Look at this palette though, you guys. I can't wait to start using this one. And again, I wanted to today just use these right here because this is the look that I was going for, but I wanted to use the new palette today. So I'm gonna have to use this one another day, but I can't wait. And then it does have the burgundy that I do like, so I can add the burgundy with the browns. There's a pink, a purple, blue, there's my teal, there's a yellow. So you have those little pops of color to add with this neutral section over here, the black, the white. I really, really love this palette. So again, I'm so thankful that they did rectify it. They did send me 2 new palettes that I didn't have, this beautiful lip color that I didn't have. So thank you so much, Lunar Beauty, for making my order right and helping me out with that. Again, they did too much, but I'm thankful that I got these items right here. This is well worth it right here to me. So there you go. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so that is how I created this look using this stunning palette. And again, I can't say it enough. I'm so thankful to them for sending it to me. Now I have all 4 of their palettes, and I'm so glad to add those to my arsenal because I really do enjoy these palettes. The pigment, the way it blends, I'm really, really happy with how this turned out. So I will definitely be keeping my eye out for Lunar Beauty. As soon as there's a new palette dropped, I'm going to purchase it because I want to keep going with this company and just adding to my collection from their collections. So that is everything I have for you guys today. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this look? What did you think of the palettes? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.